Go on.
This indeed is a very historic day for the people of Kenya, and by extension for the people of the continent of Africa. For the first time in history of African democratization, a ruling has been made by a court nullifying irregular elections of a president. This is a precedent-setting ruling. They are very historical. I would like to take the opportunity to thank the Supreme Court judges led by the Chief Justice for doing this for posterity, the people of Kenya.
Like it has been said before, at Third Way Alliance, we are now going to pursue.
This is a triumph for the people of Kenya. And we said at the beginning that our journey to Canaan was unstoppable. On the 8th of August, we crossed the River Jordan. We reached the city of Jericho. We are marching on to the city of Jerusalem, and we shall get there. As has been said by my other colleagues, we have no faith at all in the Electoral Commission as currently constituted. They have committed criminal acts. Most of them actually belong to the jail. And therefore we are going to ask for prosecution of all the Electoral Commission officers who have caused this monstrous crime against the people of Kenya.
This decision is historic. I think this is the first judgment in the entire continent of Africa which have upset an election, a presidential election. And therefore, this Supreme Court of Kenya, this time around, has done Kenyans proud and live up to its principles and the law relating to the elections. And I hope that the rest of the country is going to follow suit to show that constitutionalism and the law is important in the running of a democratic state. Secondly, you know the decision that has been rendered by the court means that there's going to be a new, fresh presidential elections in 60 days. And the court has declared by the will of the majority in the court that the previous elections were not conducted in accordance with the Constitution and the law. We hope that this time around they will not make the mistake of generating through a computer somebody as President of the Republic of Kenya, that it is the people of Kenya who will elect that president. And finally, impunity must be punished. Impunity must be punished. Not again in Kenya. In 2013, the Electoral Commission was found to have committed certain offenses relating to the law of procurement. And this time around, what the Electoral Commission did was treasonable in the sense that they wanted to declare or establish government against the constitution of the land. And therefore, the Commission is on trial. Before we can have a proper and free election, that commission must be looked into and for proper elections to be held.
Like it has been said before, at Third Way Alliance, we are now going to pursue